Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon shrimp. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode is going to be on a little shrimp. This little character that we're working on right now today is part of my FriendFish series. If you haven't heard about that, you got to check it out on Facebook at FriendFish or visit my website, friendfish.biz. All right, so let's begin with our current picture right now. And where we are right now is I did the first line was that action line. And that action line helps me with the development of this little character. Then I've created a little form, the shape, the little bubbly cloud looking area where the body is. And I worked on the bottom fin and working back now to give that curvature of his body. And currently working on his mouth right now. Big wide mouth. I like big smiles. And I'm going to do some speed line, just coloring it in with my pencil. And there we go. To separate the foreground and the background again. So here I am working on my eyeball, one of them, and working on the next one right now. And as you see, I started very lightly and I got a little darker and darker. That's the proper way of sketching. You want to start sketching very dark. All right, now coloring in the eyeballs. And there we go. Let's get his little moustache in. He's a French shrimp. All right, there we go. And when this one is complete, I will be bringing it into Adobe Illustrator, and I will be inking it in there and Adobe Photoshop to do the little watercolor technique. So now I'm just adding the little area for his eyeballs below there to stick up. All right, that's looking good. All right, so now I'm working on his hand area. As well as not his hands, actually, his little feet. Doesn't have any hands. All right. So as one side, I'll have 3, and another side, I'll have 2. The reason is that that third one on the other side that you can't see is hidden. So I didn't want to really play up with the shape so much, so it might throw it off the visual. So that's why there's only 2 on one side, as you can see. And there we go. Okay, let's get a little bit darker and get that little body shape there, a little curvature there for his belly. A little darker on the back side. That's looking good. I'm liking that. All right, let's get a little bit darker on the bottom of the fin. Now this is the time when I would come back and reassess what I just drew, and I can make it a little darker. In this case, I'm just coloring it as like his little feet there, the little claws. Make it a little bit more accenting so you can see to separate them. Now, those are just simple speed lines, as I call them, and pulling them out. You can see the contrast from the white area, helping that out. All right, let's make that mouth a little bit darker now again, and underneath his chin. And don't forget to sign it and date it. And thanks for watching my video. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.